Hey little artist! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something bright, beautiful, and blooming tulip flowers with rainbow colors. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and begin. Let's start by drawing the pot. Make a round oval at the bottom and curve the sides upward. Connect them at the top, just like a little bowl. Now draw 4 leaves coming out from the pot, 2 on each side. They look like pointed ovals. Perfect job! Let's draw the stems going up from the pot. At the top of each stem, draw a tulip flower. Start with a U-shape or an oval and make zigzag lines at the top, like a crown. Make 6 tulips total. Wow, you're doing awesome. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make our outlines bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking amazing, isn't it? Yay! Now it's the best part, coloring time. Let's grab our rainbow colors. Here are the colors we'll use. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color. And we're done. You did an amazing job, little artist. Your rainbow tulip flowers look beautiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawing videos. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.